Stealth is no longer about invisibility. It is about delay. The B-21 Raider is America's next-generation stealth bomber, built to survive inside modern air defense systems that were designed specifically to detect aircraft like its predecessor. This is not a Cold War relic. This is a platform engineered for radar-saturated battlefields. Modern integrated air defense systems combine ground radar arrays, airborne early warning aircraft, infrared sensors, and networked missile batteries. To operate inside that environment, an aircraft must reduce its radar cross-section to microscopic levels. The B-21 does that through geometry first. Stealth shaping is about controlling how radar waves reflect. Flat surfaces, curved blending, edge alignment. Every angle is designed to redirect radar energy away from the source instead of back toward it. But shaping alone is not enough. Materials matter. Radar-absorbent materials reduce reflected signal strength by converting electromagnetic energy into heat. Over time, these coatings degrade. They require maintenance, they add cost, and they increase logistical complexity. Stealth is not free. It is expensive to build and even more expensive to maintain. The B-21 improves on earlier stealth platforms by integrating materials and shaping from the beginning, rather than layering coatings afterward. That reduces maintenance burden, but it does not eliminate it. Then there is range. The B-21 is designed for long-range strike. Long range requires fuel capacity. Fuel adds weight. Weight impacts aerodynamic efficiency and payload capacity. Every bomber is a balance between range, payload, and survivability. Increase payload and range drops. Increase fuel and maneuverability decreases. Increase survivability and cost rises. The B-21 is built for contested airspace, meaning it must carry precision weapons capable of striking high-value targets while minimizing exposure time. But survivability is no longer only about radar. Infrared tracking systems are improving. Long-wave detection systems can identify heat signatures at extended distances. That means engine exhaust management becomes critical. Thermal signature reduction is another constraint. Managing exhaust temperature, shielding heat, and controlling plume visibility all add engineering complexity. And then there is digital architecture. Unlike legacy bombers, the B-21 is built with an open systems architecture. That means software, sensors, and communication systems can be upgraded over time without redesigning the entire aircraft. That flexibility extends operational lifespan, but it introduces cybersecurity exposure. Modern aircraft are networked. They communicate with satellites, drones, and command systems. Every connection is a potential vulnerability. The B-21 must balance connectivity with survivability. Then there is cost scaling. Advanced stealth shaping, composite materials, secure avionics, and low observable integration do not come cheaply. Producing a fleet large enough to matter strategically requires managing unit cost. Too few aircraft and coverage gaps appear. Too many and budgets strain. There is a reason stealth bombers are not mass-produced like fighter jets. They are strategic assets. The physical limits are clear. Stealth works best at certain radar frequencies. As detection systems diversify across frequency bands, maintaining low observability becomes harder. Long-range strike requires fuel, and fuel imposes aerodynamic penalties. Advanced materials reduce radar return, but increase maintenance complexity. Networked systems increase flexibility but expand cyber risk. The B-21 Raider exists at the intersection of these constraints. It is not invisible. It is engineered to delay detection long enough to complete its mission. In modern air warfare, seconds matter. Detection distance determines response time. Response time determines interception probability. Reduce radar cross-section, and you reduce detection range. Reduce detection range, and you compress the defender's reaction window. That is the math. The B-21 does not eliminate threat systems. It manipulates time. But physics remains the limit. Radar will improve. Infrared tracking will sharpen. Electronic warfare will evolve. Every advantage generates a countermeasure. Stealth is not permanent dominance. It is a moving threshold. And the B-21 Raider represents the current edge of that threshold. A machine built not to disappear, but to survive long enough inside the most advanced air defenses on Earth. Because in modern air power, invisibility is impossible, but delay is decisive.